In a win for transparency, the KSL investigators have finally obtained copies of Attorney General Sean Reyes' work calendar. The AG's office fought for nearly 2 years to keep it secret, and after losing several rounds in a long legal fight, agreed to finally hand it over. KSL investigator Daniela Rivera now reports.
At first glance, much of the more than 9,000 pages of calendar entries released to KSL appear to be routine, what you'd expect from the Utah Attorney General. Meetings with lawmakers and policy experts about issues Reyes made a priority, like fighting human trafficking and the opioid crisis. And yet, some entries we expected to receive we haven't found, like Reyes' 2020 speech at the Republican National Convention. We also noticed entries throughout that didn't just stay on Reyes' official calendar. They were also sent to or from a Gmail account, seanreyescalendar@gmail.com. Reyes isn't the first elected official to use a private account for public business, but it does raise questions about transparency and security. His office didn't respond to our questions tonight about the private email. As for Reyes' close friendship with Tim Ballard, the former leader of an anti-trafficking group accused of sexual misconduct, we only found 3 meetings between the two, all in 2019. It's unclear why Reyes and his office fought for so long to keep the public from seeing these entries, but the case had a chilling effect on the public's right to access calendars after Utah's legislature and the governor rushed to change the law this year, making all calendars secret going forward. KSL News Director Leona Wood called the move disappointing.
And I'm hopeful that the public will choose to wield their mighty influence, just as we have tried to wield ours, in order for lawmakers to understand the critical nature of the public knowing what they're doing.
As part of the settlement agreement with KSL, Reyes' office withheld entries for appointments it deemed personal or subject to attorney-client privilege. And we're going to keep digging into these records and report on what we find. Mike and Deanie.
All right, Daniela, thank you.